Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Recently on my channel, and to be more specific on my Swedish butter knife and breadboard video, I had a viewer comment and ask if it was possible to make that project without the use of power tools. I'm here to tell you, yes it is. And not only that, I'm going to show you how. Let's check it out. Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy, bedroom stand. Woodshop cheer. For your dead burn eye protection. Okay, welcome to my hand tool challenge. Beautiful piece of walnut, which I don't have a woodworking vise, but I have this vise, which weighs about 10,000 pounds. It's a machinist vise. I've struck some lines on where my board is going to be, and there's a no going to the table saw on this one. We're going to start cutting. There's like wax all over this saw. Hand tool guys, is that normal? I gotta say, that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Start drawing out the butter knife. How do you do this? Oh my god! Finally! Basic shape. I'm gonna put scales on the knife, traced around the knife to do scales, and a coping saw again, gonna cut that shape out. And I don't have any other blades for a coping saw, so I went ahead, and I really want to put scales on this, so I just went ahead and cut them out on the scroll saw. You just cut them out the same way that you would cut out the knife. I'm just smoothing that out a little bit. Some glue into that hole. Now we do a whole lot of sanding, a ton of sanding. For now, I think I'm going to work on sanding the actual breadboard. This takes forever, dude. Wish I was using my orbit sander. I guess it is kind of nice enjoying like quiet, sort of, and all the rooster crows. Okay, got some clamps on here, and that you should have done that in the first place. put a finger hole in this, and I can't think of any way to do that by hand. Unless you have a bit and brace, which I don't, so... I've got this really big file, which is too big for this, but it's the only file I have that's rounded, and I'm going to use that to ease over the edges of the finger hole. Once again, I'd like to apologize for my little mishap with the scroll saw. I really wanted as much of this project to be made with hand tools as possible. What are you going to do? You can make whatever projects you want without power tools, with power tools, however you want to do it. There's a lot of extremely talented woodworkers that use nothing but hand tools, and they make stuff that I don't think I could ever make, even with power tools. If you liked and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to Means Woodshop. I post new woodworking videos every Friday. This video is late, so sorry about that. Click the little notification bell so you will not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.